Welcome this video. Potted plants gardening idea. First time landscape. Potted plants often our style and various appear. Work to enhance an outdoor or indoor space. Whether you have a long backyard, a compact balcony, or just a smart patio contain gardening allow you to create lush landscape with minimize often this static explore range of potted plants gardening idea that can transforming your space into a green paradise. Choose the right contract. The first step in gardening a potted plants gardening is select the right campaign. Consider the follow words pot style and available in various color palette. Perfect for a rustic look but then are turned to rustic road. Recycle, contract, introduce and modern but main hard up swag in the sun. Layout for various impact to create a various appear gardening arrangement plants at different height tall planted medium planted long planted Tall planted use bugs, smart tree and term tall long as a back gardening.